Okay, so you're researching channel description. Dwayne here with How to Grow on YouTube TV, and in this video, I'm gonna talk to you and show you that you need to definitely make sure that you enter your channel description or like an about page about your channel and why this is important. But before we get started, I have a quick message. Once again, my name is Dwayne with How to Grow on YouTube TV, and on this channel, we talk about everything you need to know to be successful on YouTube. This includes how to start a YouTube channel, how to do keyword research for YouTube, how to get more views, how to get more subscribers, and how to make money on YouTube. If this sounds like something in which you're interested, be sure to subscribe to our channel by clicking the word subscribe below this video to the right, and click that notification bell so you don't miss a thing. Okay, so when it comes to being successful on YouTube, there are certain things that you cannot pass up. You gotta make sure that you have a proper channel description or an about page regarding your channel. And all this is describing to YouTube as well as your viewers what your channel is about. And this is important because it'll make it a lot easier for YouTube to catalog or categorize your channel in the right way by letting them know, as well as your viewers, exactly what your channel is about. When you enter your channel description, this is also a good opportunity to include specific keywords about topics that you're definitely going to discuss or you are discussing currently on your channel. So that's what you want to do if you're going to enter your channel information, and this is definitely important. You absolutely have to enter your channel description. So what I'm going to do for this portion of the video is I'm going to jump on over to my laptop and show you exactly how to do it on the desktop version. If you're watching this video on a mobile device, you should be able to get a desktop version based on the browser that you're using. So if you're using Safari or you're using Chrome, there's definitely some features somewhere on that browser that you can click on and access the desktop version. And it may be a lot easier for you to do what I'm gonna show you in this video if you access the desktop version. So give me 1 second and I'll see you over on my laptop. Okay, so once you're ready to add your channel description here on YouTube, you just log into your YouTube account and then you click on the icon at the top right of the screen, which is going to be your initial or your picture, whatever you've uploaded. And you click on my channel right here, and it's going to pull this page up here and click on customize channel, because that's exactly what we're doing. We're customizing our channel here. We're going to add a channel description and then click on about. So I'll click on that for you guys here. And here we are. So we're inside, and this is where you can put your channel description for YouTube. And this is very important to do because this is where you can let people know exactly what your channel is about, and you can also let YouTube know what your channel is about. So this is going to be very handy and helpful if you're interested in getting more people to visit your channel, especially if your channel is going to be discoverable in the search bar on YouTube. This will be very helpful to do. So when you're ready to fix your channel description or enter your channel description, you click on this pencil here at the top right. I'll click on that, and as you can see here, it pulls up the information. Of course, I already have stuff here. Now, my suggestion is to enter things that are relevant to your channel, and if possible, you definitely want to include some keywords. And so on my channel, this channel, How to Grow on YouTube TV, we talk about how to grow on YouTube. We talk about how to get more views. We talk about how to get more subscribers. We talk about how to make money using YouTube. We also talk about how to do keyword research. So there's a lot that we talk about here, and I could have written a lot here, but I don't know exactly how many characters you have to type here, but it's not a lot. If you put too much here, it won't let you save your channel description. Once again, you can just put whatever you want to put in, and I think after a while it'll stop allowing you to type characters. Yeah, so just be mindful of the fact that you can't just continue to write whatever you want to write here. You definitely want to make sure, like I said, you put stuff here that's relevant to your channel, and you also put some keywords in here if possible, and just kind of let people know what they're going to get from your channel. And of course, you can encourage them to subscribe. Once you're done doing that, you just click on done, and then you're good to go. Your channel description is now saved, and this is actually very important once again because it allows your viewers to know what your channel is about, and it also allows YouTube to know what your channel is about. So thank you for watching this portion of the video in regards to your channel description on YouTube. I'll see you back in just 1 second. Thanks for watching this video about channel description. If you like this video and you found it helpful, please give me a thumbs up. It helps our channel quite a bit. And if you want to share this video with somebody that may find it helpful, please feel free to do so as well. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, please consider subscribing because on this channel, we talk about everything you need to know to be successful on YouTube. This includes how to start a YouTube channel, how to do keyword research for YouTube, how to get more views, how to get more subscribers, and how to make money on YouTube. If this sounds like something in which you're interested, be sure to subscribe to our channel and click that notification bell so you don't miss a thing. Once again, my name is Dwayne with How to Grow on YouTube TV, and I approve this video. I'll see you in the next video. Until next time, take care and be blessed. Peace.